Hello children, do you know the sound of each letter? A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says E, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, K says K, L says L, M says M, N says M, O says O, P says P, Q says Q, R says R, S says S, T says T, U says V says V, W says W, X says X, Y says Y, Z says Z. Let's learn about 5 special English letters: A, E, I, O, U. Now read the other letters from the cloud: B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Children, A, E, I, O, U are special because one or more of them occur in almost all English words.